Single leg deadlift to gait. So our gait movement is opposite arm, opposite leg. It's almost like a march. And then we add our single leg deadlift. So single leg deadlift is a lot of balance. I want you to think that your body's a seesaw. So as your leg lifts, your chest moves forward. So it's almost like a little seesaw and it's balancing on this bottom leg. So seesaw, tap down, and then gait, rise up, opposite arm, opposite leg. Single leg deadlift, tap down, rise up, opposite arm, opposite leg. Lots of balance. So just showing you from the front. Seesaw, and then hit gait. I like to find a little focus point, a drishti, to help me balance.